We are changing the invoice language in your Stripe dashboard so your global clients can read their bills in their own native tongue. Log into your Stripe account right now and look at the left sidebar. Click on the section that says Customers. This pulls up your entire client list. From here, find the specific person or company that needs a translated invoice and click directly on their name. This opens up their full customer profile view. Now look over at the top right corner of your screen. You will see a Details section and a pen icon. Click that pen and then scroll all the way down to the bottom of this window until you see the words Language. Click it and select the language your client speaks, like Spanish or French. Once you choose it, click the blue Update Customer button at the bottom right. The important thing is that Stripe now automatically translates all the system text, like payment instructions and total amounts, on every PDF and payment page you send them from this point forward. Now, that goes both ways. If you have an entire business operating outside of English regions, you do not want to do this one by one. You can change your global settings instead. Look at the very top right of your dashboard and click on the gear icon to open your settings. Under the Business Settings column, look down and click on Customer Emails or Invoice Template. Scroll down until you see the option for Default Language or Localization. Change this to your primary business language and click Save. In my case, I always remind people about the trade-off here. Changing this global setting means every single new customer you create moving forward will automatically get invoices in this new language. However, it will not automatically update your old existing clients, so you still have to change those manually using the first method we covered.